The World Health Organization has estimated that over 1 billion people across the globe experience some form of disability. With an aging global population and a rise in non-communicable diseases, it has been estimated that more than 2 billion people will need at least one assistive product by 2030, with many older people needing two or more. The right assistive technology can help integrate persons with disabilities into society, enabling them to lead an independent life. However, it has been globally witnessed that more than 200 million people do not have access to assistive products for low vision. Only 10% of the 75 million people who need wheelchairs have access to it. Hearing aid production currently meets less than 10% of the global need, and over 75% of low-income countries have no prosthetic and orthotics training programs. Assistive products aid in individuals' functioning, thereby promoting their well-being and helping them lead an independent life. The demand for high-quality and well-designed assistive products is growing. SBI Foundation took the bold step of supporting early-stage innovations for the missing million. SBI Foundation partnered with Social Alpha to build a program for innovations in assistive technology, Techtonic. The aim was to support early-stage startups that are building new-age tech solutions for persons with disabilities. The program focused on speech and hearing, locomotor disability, development disorders, and visual impairment. Last year, 4 startups were incubated under this program launched by SBI Foundation in partnership with Social Alpha. The startups were provided with financial support, product development expertise, manufacturing guidance, and better market access. Today, these startups have come a long way. Tech has developed an affordable wearable device for deaf, hard of hearing, elderly, and other people who want to improve their comprehension of spoken communication. Founded by Madhav Lavakare, the startup was in their alpha prototype stage when they were incubated under the program. During the program period, the startup had iterated and engineered the product for beta testing and manufacturing for scale. With support from the SBI Foundation Techtonic, the startup has completed the preliminary assembly of 150 devices that will be shipped to customers, and has also showcased the product at the Empower event, which recorded a footfall of over 400. Urvogel Bio, founded by Dr. M.V. Shashidhar, is developing a first-of-its-kind neuronal diagnostic platform to identify Alzheimer's disease and other dementia spectrum disorders using blood samples. This will help with early detection of such disorders, which is critical for better management of these conditions, and will also prevent cases of misdiagnosis. The startup was in their preclinical stage at the start of the program. Now, they have completed the clinical validation of the genetic assays for the diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease and differential diagnosis of AD from other dementias. They are also in the process of conducting their clinical validation for their next neuropathy assay. Curious Labs is a startup focused on the needs of people with locomotor disability and geriatric conditions who are prone to falls and bed sores. There are over 5.3 million cases of pressure-related injuries and 1.4 million related deaths. They aim to address this issue by developing an intelligent remote patient monitoring system that prevents such issues. Founded by Ashish Mohandas, the startup was incubated at an alpha prototype stage. With support from the SBI Techtonic program, the startup has been able to develop 2 beta prototypes of the product. This was done through continuous testing with volunteers to receive product feedback and iterate the product accordingly. They have validated the product with renowned institutions like NIMHANS, Amla Hospital, and FIRRE, all facilitated by the program team. Audivision, founded by Aadhar Bhalenge, aims to make the visually impaired community self-reliant. They created a free app with pandemic safety features and native language support, accessible to all without requiring additional devices or an internet connection. Through the support of the program, the app has reached more than 35,000 users on Play Store. Currently, the app supports 12 languages and has introduced many new innovative features such as object identifier, document reader, and more. They will be reaching many more users through NGOs and schools for blind children. They are in the process of building a blind deaf platform feature and launching the app for iOS users as well. These startups are making a tangible impact in the assistive technology market. SBI Foundation, with the support of Social Alpha, aims to continue working with startups like these to transform lives through innovations.